Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs, and I have a project today that is a gift card holder. Now this one I made out of some little envelopes I had hanging around from someplace, not sure where, and today I made my own. This one I used some Press Petals Designer Series paper, Berry Vanilla cardstock, and this color is So Saffron. And the ribbon is 3/8 inch denim ribbon. We're going to do it a little different, but look very similar to this. Okay, we have to start with a piece of Whisper White that is 5.5 by 5 inches. And we're going to get the Simply Score. On the 5-inch side, we're going to score it at 3/4 inch and 4 1/4 inch. And on the 5.5 inch side, we're going to score it at 1.5 and 4. Okay. I'm going to burnish these. Okay. And now here is our, well, it's the same color, so it's hard to see it, but this is what we're going to look at. So I'll just put it down and then I'll use a pencil. I'm going to get rid of these and these. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this bottom smaller rectangle away on the right side, and the other one that's on the left side will cut away also. Okay, and actually I wanted you to wedge a little bit off of this big piece above that rectangle on both sides. Just take a nice wedge out of it. Okay, now on the top, just do the same, but no wedging. Both of these rectangles are coming off. Okay. All right, and my order finally should be coming tomorrow of the new things from Stampin' Up. And in it is also my new detailed trio punch, so I'm going to be so happy to have that. All right, we want to trim these corners on both sides, I guess. I would say, yeah, I think I did both sides. You know what? This one I missed the whole score line, so I want to take that off. Okay. Now the piece that has, this is a 1/2 inch, that's 3/4. The one with the 1/2 of the inch is going to be the top. So what we're going to do, since it's cardstock to cardstock, we're not going to use snail, so I'm going to use my tear and tape. And you're going to put it at the end of one of these sides. Pretty simple. It's like a little bag for a gift card, little envelope bag. All right, and then a little piece right here at the bottom. And there we have our little gift card holder. Now you can put a glue dot to close the back, or we can put a little clip on. And let's just make sure that the gift card fits, and it's perfect. Okay. See, this one was kind of like a paper bag you would get at the store with a card in it, very thin, so I wanted something a little nicer. All right. And for the decorations, I have 2 pieces of Best Dressed Designer Series paper that are 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. And now we can use snail. Put this one on the back. Flip that over. And this one will go on the front. Okay. And then what we need is a 1 3/4 inch circle punch. We don't sell this one right now. They go in and out, the different circle sizes, but you can use any size you want, really. I just like this size on here. And I stamped it with the thank you sentiment from Free as a Bird stamp set. But again, you can put any of our nice sentiments there. And I used from the Layered with Kindness set, the little branch. So let's do that. I'm just going to put a little piece underneath where I'm going to stamp. And I used Pear Pizzazz, which is in this Designer Series paper. Okay. And I just kind of came around the bottom and stamped it on there. Okay. Okay. Now I kind of put it on there a little bit tilted with some dimensionals. Let me get those. I don't want to get glue smeared all over if it's not dried yet. Okay, I'm just going to put this tilted like that. All right. And now we need some petal pink, which is also in the paper, and the medium daisy punch. And we're going to punch 2 out of this. Now we could use this one, or we could use Melon Mambo. Let me get some Melon Mambo and see if I like that better. Yeah, I think I might like that better because the petal pink is all around. So let's try it with Melon Mambo. Okay. And I'm going to take my bone folder and just curl these up. Okay, let's see if my liquid glue cap wants to work today. I'm going to put a little dot. Yes, hooray! In the middle. And then just offset these. And this medium daisy punch is coming back. So that's a great thing. I do like this. Okay. We're going to just kind of place it right here. Like that. So I'm also going to glue that so it stays nicely. And then I got the polka dot polka dot tulle ribbon. I tied a bow. I'm going to just put that right at the top. And I'm going to use some glue dots for that. There we go. Probably use 2 on this. Okay, we're just going to put that right up there. All right, and then we need a rhinestone for the middle. Gluey finger. Okay, now let's see what I have. I think I'm going to use one of these clips that I have. I have this one in white, which is a little bit bigger. Or I could put the silver. Let's see, the silver looks. This one's much more tiny. Yeah, I think I like that because it kind of goes with the rhinestone. And there you have it. A quick and easy gift card holder that fits all gift cards. I didn't realize all gift cards were the same size. And there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. You can shop with me at the address on the top of the screen. And I would love it if you would subscribe. See you next time. Bye.